Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus not available in your country. To do this, we are going to need to use something called a VPN, also known as a virtual private network. This is going to be responsible for changing our online location so we can trick Disney Plus into thinking we are from another region rather than our real location. So once you've got private internet access VPN set up, it will look like this. All we need to do now is to select the VPN server button, and here you just want to select a country where Disney Plus is unblocked. You are browsing the internet as if you offer on that country. Once we are connected to our VPN server, we can minimize that to the VPN and we can go back to our web browser. And all we need to do now is refresh the page. This is going to automatically pick up the VPN server and it's going to unblock Disney Plus. We can go ahead and sign into our account and we can start watching Disney Plus just as we normally would. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.